Xiaomi, a name synonymous with pushing the boundaries of tech. From budget-friendly powerhouses to flagship killers, Xiaomi has consistently delivered. The Poco F6 Pro, it's no exception. This phone is a statement that screams, "We're here to shake things up." The Poco F6 Pro is for those who demand more. More power, more features, and more value. Xiaomi has a knack for making the latest tech accessible to everyone. The Poco F6 Pro carries this torch, bringing flagship-level specs within reach. Let's be real, aesthetics matter. The Poco F6 Pro doesn't disappoint. The design is sleek, modern, and screams premium. The first thing you'll notice is the display. It's a gorgeous AMOLED panel with vibrant colors and deep blacks. High refresh rate ensures buttery smooth scrolling. The back of the phone is equally impressive with a sleek camera module. Holding the Poco F6 Pro, you get a sense of quality. The build feels solid, and the buttons are tactile. Xiaomi has paid attention to every detail. Let's talk about the heart of the beast. The Poco F6 Pro packs serious power. Latest processor, plenty of RAM, and a powerful GPU. Apps launch in a snap, multitasking is a breeze, and games run smoothly. No lag, no stutter, just pure performance. Xiaomi has optimized the software for maximum efficiency. The result? A snappy and responsive phone. Ample storage space for all your needs. Expandable storage with a microSD card. The Poco F6 Pro is a performance powerhouse. Capturing moments. The Poco F6 Pro camera. A phone's camera is more important than ever. The Poco F6 Pro boasts a versatile camera system, high-resolution sensors and advanced image processing, stunning photos and videos in various lighting conditions, vibrant colors, sharp details, and impressive dynamic range. Even in low light, it captures impressive shots. 4K video resolution with electronic image stabilization, a versatile camera system for all your photography needs. Battery life, power through your day. Nobody likes a phone that dies in the middle of the day. The Poco F6 Pro holds up exceptionally in the battery department. Massive battery for all-day usage. Hours of screen-on time for browsing, streaming, and gaming. Xiaomi has optimized the software for power efficiency. Fast charging support for quick top-ups. No more waiting around for hours to charge. A phone that keeps up with your busy lifestyle. Who is the Poco F6 Pro for? The Poco F6 Pro is for anyone who wants it all. Tech enthusiasts who demand the latest specs, mobile gamers who need a powerful phone, photography lovers who want a versatile camera system, those who refuse to compromise. A phone that excels in every area without breaking the bank, a statement of tech savviness and quality, a game changer in every sense of the word.